you don't force Islam. If it doesn't want to accept it, then so be it. Sabi nga nila, hindi mo dapat napakialaman kung ano yung practice or yung religion ng Christianity. Ang target lang naman ng da'wa during ng time ng pagdada'wa ng sa Arabian Peninsula is the polytheists.
Babasahin lang natin itong nakalagay sa Quran, chapter 2 ng Quran, 256. Tingnan ko kung ano yung maging view mo dito. No? Ang sabi kasi sa Arabic dito, La ikraha fi dinnik qad tabayana rushdu min al-ghayy. There is no compulsion in religion na nakalagay dyan. Verily, the right path has become distinct from the wrong path. Whoever disbelieves in Tagut and believes in Allah, then he has grasped the most trustworthy handhold that will never break. And Allah is all hearer and all knower. Ang paliwanag dito ni Al-Qurtubi, no? Ito paliwanag ni Al-Qurtubi dito, mother of interpretation. Paliwanag ni Tafsir Al-Qurtubi sa kanyang explanation sa Surah chapter 2, 256. Ang sabi ni Al-Qurtubi, sabi niya, it was said that it was abrogated because the prophet, may God bless him and grant him peace, forced the Arabs to convert to the religion of Islam. Meron palang instance daw na si Muhammad ay pinorse niya ang mga Arabs sa Islam. Sa Arabic, ang sabi,
Yes.
Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, qad
Agree ako dyan.
aqahu alahaba Allah,
Tapusin mo muna siya.
inna la Islam. Ito muna. Ulitin ko sa Arabic, no? Sa Arabic sabi ni sino ba to? Al-Qurtubi. Sabi ito, Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, qad aqrahu la-Arabiyya alla dinna illa al-Islam. Ibig sabihin, the Prophet, may God peace and blessings be upon him, forced the Arabs to convert to Islam, the religion of Islam. Now, ang question ko dito, bakit ni Muhammad pinorse ang mga Arab to convert to Islam?
And hindi ko masasagot sa'yo ng directly yung sa part na yan. Pero ang masasagot ko, agree ako sa part na yan. And besides, bigyan kita ng example ng history. When he conquered the Makkah, everyone from Makkah was forced to embrace Islam.